Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Acrobat to compile claims evidence packages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe Acrobat, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Adobe website. In the search bar, type Adobe Acrobat and press enter. Look for the option that reads Adobe Acrobat Pro DC or any relevant version. Click on it to view more details. You will see a button that says Free Trial or Buy Now. Click on the desired option based on your preference. If you select Free Trial, you will need to create an Adobe ID. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you complete the form, click Create an Adobe ID. You may need to verify your email. After verification, return to the Adobe Acrobat page. Now, click on the Download button. The installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Accept the license agreement to move forward. You can choose the installation location or use the default setting. Click on the Install button to start the installation. The installation process may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you can open Adobe Acrobat. You may need to sign in with your Adobe ID to activate the software. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools and features. To compile claims evidence packages, use the Combine Files option within the software. You can now start preparing your claims evidence packages effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.